Once again, a hearty welcome to all the audiences. I, Mrs. Amita Ravi, would continue the discussion on the topic Microsoft PowerPoint. Let us quickly recapitulate what we learned in our previous video. We had come to know that Microsoft PowerPoint is a part of MS Office package which is used for designing presentation. Designing presentation can be done using two methods, either by the predefined themes or by using blank presentation. Then we learned that in the individual page of PowerPoint slide, we may insert all these objects mentioned over here. These objects help us to make the presentation interactive. Then, if there is a requirement of adding more number of slides to our presentation, then new slide option from the Home tab can serve the purpose. Next, we learned that out of the different views of PowerPoint, the normal view is being used for designing and slideshow view is used for viewing the presentation on the full screen. By default, the extension of the file saved is always .pptx. Today in our video, we'll be learning to incorporate the visual effects on the slide, and the names of those two visual effects are custom animation and slide transition. Let us first quickly see how the slide will appear without these effects. I have made a simple slide on 7 wonders of the world. You all may see that these wonders are coming in front of you without any special effects. Now we'll be trying to incorporate those effects. For that, you need to select your slide. Go to the option design. Here again it's showing the list of different designs whichever you wish to add to your slide. You may see here that when I'm keeping my cursor on any particular design, the slide is automatically showing the changes. So if you wish, you may incorporate any of these. Other than this, the next option available is the format background option. From here, there are options of solid fill, gradient fill, pattern fills. Solid and gradient will give somewhat like this, and patterns will give different styles of designing like this. You may change the color of the patterns, but remember one thing, when you are applying all these effects, this should not hamper your text or image. Rather, it should enhance the presentability of the slide. Next, coming up is the visual effect. The first visual effect is known as the slide transition, which is available in this transition menu. Slide transition is used for giving effect to the complete slide. I repeat, to the complete slide, not to the objects of the slide. For giving to the object, we use custom animation. Even if your slide is blank, you may give transition effect to it. Again, there is a list of transition effect, whichever you feel like can be applied to the slide. You could see how these are appearing. These effects can be applied either to all the slides or to individual slides. It's up to your choice. Whatever you feel like, you may click and select for a particular slide. Right now I'm selecting apply to all. The duration can also be maintained from here by increasing or decreasing the time limit. As well as you may also add sound effects along with the animation effect. Coming up next is how we can change the look of the objects. For that, click on the animation tab and select any of these custom animation slide. Again, there is a list of n number of effects. Right now I'm selecting fly in. You can see the preview. These effects can be set by two modes, either on the mouse click or automatically one after the other. You may select from these options on click or with previous after previous. You can change the duration of the effect as well as the delay in between the first slide to the second slide can be maintained using these buttons. Now we all are going to quickly apply these effects. For this one, I am applying split effect. Coming up to the next slide, pipe, next slide, random bars. This is entirely your choice what type of effects you want in your slide. Let us play the full screen view again and see the difference. Just see the slide transition now. Custom animation. Isn't it more interactive now? In this manner, you can keep exploring, keep practicing, and increase your level of experiences. Till then, stay connected, stay safe. Thank you.